in the first-degree equation. Talking to a person, I decided to do an explanation of the first-degree equation, based on something different. Naruto's anime. Sasuke saw 100 kunai and quickly put it in the box until it was full, and there were 25 kunai left. How many kunai are in the box? Just looking, you can see that there are 75 kunai in the box, because 75 plus 25 is 100. But let's do it mathematically. I see the box and 25 kunai, and I know there are 100 kunai in total. If I take these 25 kunai out, I end up knowing how many kunai there are. So if I take the total, I have to take what is left. So we have the box, the 25 kunals minus 25 kunai equal to 100 kunai minus 25, which gives us the value that the box has 75 kunai. If we put it in a mathematical equation, we have 100 equals x plus 25, we take 25 out of 100, and we have this equals x plus 25 minus 25, because we took it out before. What's left is the box, which has 75 kunai. Are we going to complicate the values now? It had 1233 kunai. Sasuke put in the box how much it fit, and 327 kunai left. How many kunai do you have in the box? If 327 kunais are left, I have to take the total, which is 1233, which gives 906. And I have to take the other side because these kunais have already been taken. So the box has 906 kunai. The mathematical mode is on the screen. People usually have a hard time understanding subtractions, so pay attention. It had 100 kunai. Sasuke had it all 100, but 25 more to fill the box. In this case, 100 kunai is equal to cash minus 25 kunai. Note that the box is missing 25 kunai, so the minus 25. To know when the kunai fits in the box, just add what is missing, which is 25. So 100 plus 25 equals 125, and minus 25 plus 25 on the other side is 0. Which shows that 125 kunai can fit in the box. Now let me talk a little. If you are part of the new generation, which uses a lot of cell phones, and watches many series, you may be experiencing difficulty, and this is not because of capacity problems, but because of the shape of the new generation. The new generation is great at storing information, as it sees information everywhere, and the new generation grows with this system. Neurons adapt to the environment, and the environment is full of information. But the logic system, which is usually on the left side of the brain, but the brain is not just logic, so the environment around us activates specific parts of the brain. We adapt to the environment. But the current modern environment does not require logic, but rather the diversity of imaginative information. The problem is that in the employment phases, what is requested is not requested by the modern environment, which is logic and reasoning. So many people today have a lot of difficulty in this, and it is not because of the person having problems, but because the brain was activated in other regions. So to be able to overcome this, you have to make an effort, so that these brain regions are activated, and then very patiently, the brain slowly forms connections in the left prefrontal region, and it slowly facilitates logical understanding, so don't give up. But now let's get back to the exercise. Sasuke saw 1233 kunais on the floor, put it in the box, but 327 was missing. How many kunais will fit in the box? Add 1233 with the 327 missing, this is the same as the box, minus the 327 that was missing, plus the 327 that you placed. And so we have 1560 kunai in the box. The mathematical mode is found on the screen. Remember, the important thing is to train logic. It is not to think that if you do not remember how you do in 3 days, it is because you have a problem. Practice logic and over time you will slowly feel that you are improving. Improving, that is the important thing. Give the time necessary to assimilate what you have learned, and when you feel that you are well, move on to the next learning.
If you are looking for more content from different areas, visit the reformadorstacad.com website. News and detailed content can be found with system of research and organization of text and video.